Let us take a massive particle in a space or in a universe. What is a massive particle in a universe, in a space? Example, sun or planets or satellites. He is a sun. Around the sun, some influenced place is present. Let us take earth. It has some influenced place around it. Not only earth, you take another planet. First planet, Mars. So first planet, Mercury. Mercury also has some influenced place around it. Venus, second planet, it is also has some influenced place around it. Like that, all planets around them has some influenced place. That influenced place around the massive particle is called gravitational field. The influenced the influenced place around the massive object in the universe or space is called gravitational field. This is maybe a sun, maybe a star, maybe a planet, maybe a satellite, etc., etc. They have some influenced place around them. That influenced place around the massive object or particle in the universe or a space is called gravitational field. Okay, in the gravitational field, you take unit mass of the particle. Unit mass of the particle m0 is equal to 1. The force experienced on it, that force is called intensity of gravitational field. Intensity of gravitational field. Force acts on the unit mass of the object is in the gravitational field at that point is called intensity of gravitational field. The intensity of gravitational field Ig is equal capital G m by r square. Now it is looks like the equation of small g, but not it is small g. It is the intensity of gravitational field equation. Okay, now gravitational potential or gravitational potential energy and derivation. This is one of the important question in this chapter. Now, first, what is the definition of gravitational potential energy? Work done on m mass of the object, work done on m mass of the object to bring from infinite distance to a certain point against the gravitational of the earth without acceleration is called gravitational potential energy. Okay, now how we can derive this one? This is m mass of the object. It is at r distance. Now we want to shift this from infinity to r distance without the acceleration is called gravitational potential energy. Now let us take, this is the earth. this is the influenced place around the earth. Now, work done on m mass of object to shift dr distance is, we know the equation for the work, force into displacement. Work is equal force into displacement, but work depends on displacement but not the force. That's why dw is equal F into dr. What is the F? Gravitational force. F is equal capital G, capital M, small m by r square. Total work done from infinite to r distance. So take integration. How we can write integration? G capital M small m by r square into dr. G capital M small m, take outside, integral dr by r square. Okay, as it is G m, you must be remember this relation. Integral dr by r square. Integral dr by r square value is how much? 1 by r. Integral dr by r square is equal to how much? 1 by r or minus 1 by r. Once again, integral dr by r square value minus 1 by r. Take minus outside. So GMM 1 by r infinity to r. Substitute. These are called limits, infinity and other limits. First you substitute this, then after this. Now 1 by r minus 1 by r minus 1 by r. 1 by infinity is how much? 0 minus G capital M small m into 1 by r. Okay, W is equal gravitational potential energy symbol. What happened? U. U is equal minus capital G capital M into 1 by r. So E is equal minus capital G capital M small m by r. What is the mathematical equation for the gravitational potential energy? U is equal minus capital G capital M small m by r. This equation is for the earth and the object. Here negative sign is indicates which one? Attractive force. Already we are discussed in the previous classes. Gravitational force is always a attractive force. How we can say it is always attractive force? With a negative sign. That's why here also we have negative sign. U is equal minus capital G capital M small m by r. Yes, what is the mathematical equation for the gravitational potential energy? U is equal minus capital G capital M small m by r. Okay. In this chapter, we use the Newton's gravitational equation in number of times. Now, Newton universal gravitational constant denoted by the symbol of capital G. Okay. First you record this. Now, what is a capital G? Newton universal gravitational constant. This Newton universal gravitational constant G value is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square by kg square. How we can get this equation? Now we want to derive that equation. That is one of the important question in this chapter. Okay, first you